Good morning, John Bullock from Beach Boxing. Why should you come here? Because it's a chance to wake up properly, really start your day out great. Today, Friday, 7:15 a.m, and every Friday, regardless of the weather, but today is fantastic, we have beach boxing. What a great way to start your day. For the fitness, on the beach, fresh air, ocean air. And above all, you're learning to move your body, coordinate yourself. Great way to start your day. But it's for you, and I think that's the most important thing. It's about you, it's about socialization, meeting people and smiling and forgetting about your social media, ignoring it and being with people. And for me, that's what it has to be about. To find out more, go to www.painpointcoach.co.uk. Go and have a look at the beach boxing, you'll see lots of information. Or we've got a Facebook group, James and John Beach Boxing on Facebook.